Anyway, there you go. Okay, 7:16. Took a little bit longer than we expected. Bad boy's being stubborn. Whew. Never knew it would be so hard to turn out one simple bulb. But that's done. Hopefully, we won't have to do that again anytime soon. And see if I can get out of here. Sneak down here. Oh, you're gonna start with me already. I'm sneaking over. Let's see. Let's go that way. All right. Let's roll. Jeez, that was ridiculous. Ooh. Yeah, let's sneak down there and see if anybody's down here. Oh, should be all kinds of everybody down here now. I want to check and test that, make sure it stays working. Check the bumps don't booger it. I think that might have fixed the issue. Hopefully. Sweet. Sweet, 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 and so. So do we want to go all the way back? Yeah, let's go all the way back. What the heck? Nobody's back here. It's good. So it won't bother anybody. There's a bunch of water up here. Oh, I'm starting to get hungry again. That old pizza didn't last too long. That's what? Well, it's 5 something. It's after 7 now, yeah. I didn't eat anything all day other than that. It's probably a bad idea, but oh well. Let's see that here real quick. And I'll probably cut this off. We missed the Amtrak now, but we'll head back to dairy. I probably won't film anymore for now. Maybe we'll go back to the tracks. I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see. But it is 7:18, and I'm going to cut this off right here. Catch you later.